Welcome to Anatomy in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to talk about the conducting system of heart. Before going to the topic, if you are not subscribed the channel, subscribe the Anatomy in Nutshell channel. The conducting system of the heart is made up of a myocardium that is specialized for initiation and conduction of the cardiac impulse. Fibers are finer than the other myocardial fibers and are completely cross-striated. The components of the conducting system of heart are the sinoatrial node, that is SA node, atrioventricular node or AV node, and the atrioventricular bundle of His, right and left branches of the bundle, and the Purkinje fibers. The SA node acts as a pacemaker of heart. It generates the impulses at the rate of about 70 to 100 beats per minute and initiates the heartbeat. It is horseshoe in shape, situated at the atriocaval junction in the upper part of the sulcus terminalis. Impulse travels through the atrial wall to reach the AV node. There are three internodal fibers between the SA node and the AV node. We divide the fibers into anterior, middle and the posterior. The anterior fibers are called Bachmann fibers, middle fibers are called Wenckebach, and the posterior fibers are called Thorel. The AV node is smaller than the SA node and located in the lower and dorsal part of the atrial septum, just above the opening of the coronary sinus. It is capable of generating the impulses at a rate of about 40 to 60 beats per minute. The atrioventricular bundle, otherwise called AV bundle or bundle of His, it is the only muscular connection between the atrial and the ventricular musculatures. It begins as a AV node and crosses the AV ring and descends along the posterior-inferior border of the membranous part of the ventricular septum. At the upper border of the muscular part of the septum, it divides into right and the left branches. So the right branch of the AV bundle passes down the right side of the interventricular septum. A large part enters the moderator band to reach the anterior wall of the right ventricle, where it divides into Purkinje fibers. In the same way, the left branch of the AV bundle descends on the left side of the interventricular septum, distributed to the left ventricle after dividing into Purkinje fibers. The Purkinje fibers form a subendocardial plexus. Large pale fibers, striated only at their margins, usually possesses double nuclei. It generates the impulses at a rate of about 20 to 30 beats per minute. Coming to the overview of the heart conduction system, the sequence of the electrical events originates from the SA node. An excitation is signal, that is the accent potential, started or created by the SA node. A wave of excitation spreads across the atria, causing them to contract. Upon reaching the AV node, the signal is delayed, then conducted to the bundle of His and down to the interventricular septum. The bundle of His and the Purkinje fibers spread the wave impulse along the ventricles and causing them to contract. The blood supply of the conducting system of heart, the whole system except the left branch of the AV bundle is supplied by the right coronary artery. In 40% of the cases, the left coronary artery also supplies the SA node. Coming to the clinical aspects of the conducting system of heart, the defects or damage to the conducting system results in cardiac arrhythmias, defects in the normal rhythm of contraction, and the vascular lesions like atherosclerosis of the heart can cause a variety of arrhythmias. And the heart blocks also can occur, the partial or complete, that is incomplete and complete heart blocks. The bradycardia is a decreased pulse rate and tachycardia is the increased pulse rate. And the artificial pacemaker, it is a small device, electrical device commonly fitted to a monitor and correct the heart rate and rhythm. It is inserted in the chest under the left clavicle with wires connected to the heart via the venous system. The most common indication for the pacemaker is the bradycardia. Once inserted, the pacemaker monitors the heart rate. If the heart rate becomes low, the pacemaker initiates the impulse. It is used to treat the tachycardias and certain types of the heart blocks and rhythm abnormalities. Thanks for watching. Watch more videos in the Anatomy in Nutshell channel and subscribe the Anatomy in Nutshell channel.